Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed or who visited your Instagram profile on the Instagram app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to open our Instagram app and then we will need just to go to our profile. Basically, we need to have this professional dashboard. To do so, we will need just to enable the professional mode on our Instagram account so we can have like the visibility dashboard so we can see who viewed our Instagram. So basically, you need just to go here to this navigation bar, settings and privacy, and basically here we will find the creator tool and controls. We click here and basically I'm already enabled like the professional mode. So basically if you didn't do yet, you will have only two options. The first one is to just enable the professional mode. You click on it and then you will just click on next and continue the procedure. After that, we need just to go back to our account. Then we need just to go to our professional dashboard. We click here on our professional dashboard and here we go to the insights or you can just go to the tools. So basically on the insights, you can see the total followers, you can see the account engaged and reach. So basically here you can find the profile visits and you can uh, access to the profile activity or like the visibility for your accounts. And also for the engagements, it will just concern like the engagement, like the reactions for your stories, your posts, etc. And other things, there are like the achievements, there are other tools that you can use. But the most important ones are like the accounts engagement and the accounts reach. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.